Arroz Con Leche, a variation of rice pudding that is sweet and cooked with milk or evaporated milk and flavored with cinnamon and vanilla. This delicious Mexican dessert is simple to make and a classic rice pudding recipe. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simple Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, I am adding full fat milk into a pan. I am not using any water or any evaporated milk in the recipe. In this milk, I am adding 3 to 4 pieces of cinnamon sticks. I just broke them into small pieces. Reduce the heat to low and cook for about 10 minutes. Stirring constantly. The milk can easily burn, so it's important to stir as much as possible as it thickens. If you love cinnamon and love pudding, you won't be able to resist this yummy treat. After 10 minutes, as you can see, the milk has reduced and little thickened. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of small grain rice. You can definitely use long grain rice here. If you use small grain rice, then it would be quite sticky at the end, but if you use long grain rice, it won't be that much sticky. Cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Low heat is much important for this recipe. If you use high flame, then it can stick with the pan bottom and it can burn very easily. You can see after 15 minutes, the milk is reduced as the rice grain soaked the milk and it's thickened also. You can see the rice are nicely cooked. Now I am going to add our sweetener, 1/3 cup of sugar. You can add condensed milk also, then cut off the quantity of sugar. You can add much or less of sugar as per your taste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. This recipe is very much similar with Indian Kheer or Payesh or Payasam. This dish also has some sort of sweetener, whether it's sugar or sweetened condensed milk. Now add half teaspoon of vanilla extract, give a stir and Arroz Con Leche is ready. This rice dish can also served warm or cold as you like. If you love cinnamon, you may sprinkle powdered cinnamon for serving on the top. Thanks to Prito Maxula for requesting this amazing recipe. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Please share our videos and leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thanks. Bye.